Hi guys, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to show you my favourite pizza recipe. Okay, so I started cooking pizza from home about 10 years ago when I built my wood-fired oven. When you're learning how to make pizza, sometimes the easiest approach is often the best. I like using like a no-knead dough and leaving it for a long time with minimal yeast, and I get really wonderful flavour. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to pep it up with my friend Mark Dennis. He's got amazing nduja and I love it on a pizza. So that's what I'm going to do today. Nice, simple. I get some really good results just using a good strong white bread flour. This one's from Aldi or Lidl. I'm going to go for 800 grams of that. $800. I'm going to go for 16 grams of fine sea salt. There we go. 600 grams of water. Okay, so just a very small amount of yeast, about 2 grams, so half a teaspoon, and then stir it round. So this is a no-knead dough, so I'm not going to knead it, I'm just going to bring everything together, and I'm just going to let the yeast and the thyme do its magic. I'm a big fan of this. I make a lot of my bread using this way, and as I said, it's nice and easy is really good for me. I get the basis of this recipe from a guy called Jim Lahey, his book. I've tried lots of ways, and I found this is the easiest and the best. Maybe it's not the most authentic, but it's the easiest. And it makes good pizza, and that's all that matters for me. So there we go, just bring that together, make sure all the flour's incorporated, and that sits in your kitchen for ideally somewhere between 14 and 16 hours. Yeah, that's just gonna be left like that. Wonderful, wonderful, simple. No kneading, nothing. How easy is that? Okay, so these dough balls, you can see they've relaxed and spread out a little bit. So they're ready to start shaping in the pizza. And I've got the wood oven there, nice and hot. So I've got the Bushman Santorini. It's about 400 degrees C in there. So that's good and hot and ready to go. And I'm gonna get ready to shape. So I'll just create myself a little bit of space, move some of these away. You can see they're pretty relaxed now. They've got lots of nice gas bubbles in. So I'm just going to take one of these. You can see it starts coming by itself, but just literally push around the edge like that. I'm going to get that onto my board here. Slide it on there. Give it a quick extra stretch. You can see how light that base is. And then a little bit of passata. Not too much. Just around to the edges like that. That's beautiful. Lovely, puffy cornicione on the end. Beautiful pizza. Again, I'm not a pizza expert. I've been doing this a long time and I love it. I love my simple pizza style that I've come to do here, and it tastes really good. Nice and easy to do. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, remember that button down there? Subscribe, smash it. Let me know you like what I'm doing. It's all appreciated. Cheers.